So I took the model and I deleted half of it and I added a mirror modifier back on there. So if you look at the toes on his foot, they're just way too short. So we want to add geometry, but we have some weird geometry on the ends, and it doesn't really lend itself well to being able to do that. So what we want to do, if we come in here and we select these, what we can do is we can extrude these out. There's one, there's two, there's three. Now this gives us a little bit of extra geometry to work with. And if we go into sculpt mode, then turn the strength up a little bit, and we run it over this area that we just created, it'll help move things into place. Just don't go on the end of the nail because that'll pull it in and we don't want that. Just go through and smooth this out real quick. That's good enough. That's going to allow us to extend things out far enough that we can actually get something, do something with it. So let's do it again. And extrude it out. Let's see, there's one, there's two, there's three. That should be good enough. Go back into sculpt mode. Kind of hoping that by now you realize that using the different modes together speeds things up quite a bit. And we'll worry about shaping this stuff better later. So do the same thing for the last two toes, and then I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.